I'm at B&Q. I've got some compost. Everything's changed. Look, they're doing a refurb. Everything out the back there has changed. I couldn't find the soil. They'd moved it all. There was a real massive upgrade and change. Now I need to get myself some paint because I ran out of white. Look at it. This was all stacked from floor to ceiling with shelves everywhere. Now it's a void. Wow, they've got some new things coming. Interesting. Looking forward to seeing that. Now let's find some paint. I'm going to go for the good stuff, the good white paint for our beautiful bedroom and our beautiful kitchen. It's worth spending some money on good quality white paint. Probably Dulux. I think I'll go with that if I can find it. One other thing, when it comes to quality paint, it's really expensive, but it's well worth it. It's Farrow & Ball. They're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant paint. Fantastic. 50 quid for a small, what are we looking at? 2.5 litre pot. Yeah, but it is well worth it. Really good quality paint. Yeah, I need a massive tub of it. This is all silk. That'll be fine for the kitchen, I guess. But what I really need is mat for the bedroom and the breakfast area. Here we go. How much are we looking at? Oh, it's not that expensive. 25 quid? That'll do. I also need some glue, some no-nails, which I think is down here. Yeah, it's down here. I'm blocked. I can't get through.
Yeah, you just need one of those cartridge things for it.
Yeah, I've got that. Really? Is it the 8 quid one? Yeah.
Couple of these will do. It's for indoor. It's for the skirting boards when I get them. We don't want nails and screws showing when we put up nice new skirting boards in that nice new bedroom of ours. Oh, it's getting exciting. Better go and pay for all of this. I won't record that. I'm gonna go really fast and hang on to the trolley. Woo-hee! Woo-hee! Oh dear, the inner child. Right, I'm about to pay. If I can get to a till, I can. Be right back. £35. That's not too bad, is it? Alright. Oh, here's our favourite chap there. I won't get him on video. He's a lovely guy. Always stops and says hello. He's doing his trolley collection dues today. Hello, mate. You alright? Hello. See, told ya. Told ya. Lots of people smiling today. Getting lots of smiles off everyone. And giving smiles back. It's lovely. Let's get home. Let's get painting. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello, Di. Miserable old bat. Miserable old bat. Oh, that's heavy. It's never ending. And you know what? We got here last year.
Every year you've been there.
I know.
and finished.
And we've already had to decorate the front room again. Because of all the work that's been going on, it got mucky. I've had to do that. It's like the fourth bridge. You start again, and you get to the end, and you just start again.
Tatty again.
Do you hear the old cow moaning? Yeah, you've been here a year and you're still doing it. Get an old bat. And she thinks our cats have been going in our house, but they haven't. A little kid came running over the other day and he said, Lee, your Marvel's been going in Di's house. I says, no, he hasn't. He doesn't leave the house. No, he has. She said she has. I said, what does he look like? He goes, it's the ginger one. We haven't got a ginger cat. So she's even moaning the kids in the street about us. Oh dear. Poor old thing. Very lonely and very miserable. I'm never going to be like that. Never. Oh, how about that? Her son and daughter-in-law have dropped her off after a morning out having breakfast and they haven't gone in. I wonder why. I wonder why they haven't gone in. Oh dear. Where are my keys? Oh, they're in my pocket. I need my keys to get in. I've put Sue's soil in her wheelbarrow, ancient wheelbarrow that we inherited. I'd really like to give it a good old scrub down with a wire brush and give it a new paint job, but she seems to like it like this. So I've got her a soil that she can put in it, and she's going to grow some herbs. Well, transfer some herbs she's growing already at the back garden. Put them out here. I better get on with painting. Oh dear. Someone just walked by and there was a very pungent smell of weed. I don't think they're horticulturalists. I think they're just smoking it. Lock, stock and 2 smoking barrels. Hello, Ninja. Hello. You coming to get painted? I'm going to go upstairs and do some painting. Do you want to get painted again?